Is there somebody in your life right now that just gets under your skin and triggers a bit of jealousy, or a lot? Someone that might be extremely selfish in your eyes, or somebody that's extremely sexy and unapologetic about it, or someone that's very successful. When you feel these feelings, listen to them, because this is your dark feminine energy. It's looking for qualities that you won't let yourself have. So listen to those feelings. These are your biggest potential for change. So here's the thing, whatever you can't stand in other women is usually some sort of feminine power that you have locked away for yourself. You judge the woman that's too pretty, that's your own sexual power hidden. You judge the woman who's too selfish, that's the part of you that knows that you should put yourself first more often too. You judge the woman that's too aggressive and gets what she wants. Aggressive might be the wrong word, but that is your side that has done being nice, that wants to get her way as well. When did you become that version of yourself that you are not in tune with, that you have been suppressing? This can go back to childhood, it can be a relationship that you had, or it can even be your workspace. We're constantly experiencing new things. But the good thing is that that part of you is still there. You just got to learn to listen. And that's where you can implement the change. So when I was a child, I was always the good kid. I always tried to be nice, I tried to please everybody. I mainly got this from my mom, but it wasn't serving me. And I was watching these other girls getting what they wanted. They had a boyfriend, they auditioned for main roles in theater plays, and when they was on stage, they just naturally expressed themselves. And that's where I felt, this is actually what I want to do too. So I started reaching out to them, which was bloody scary, but what's the worst that could happen, you know? And it was the best thing. I had new friends that inspired me. Not friends that was always talking negatively about someone, staying stuck in that circle, talking bad so that they could feel better about themselves. Life is about moving forward. It's about outgrowing yourself. That's how you stay inspired and motivated. And the more you do this, the more your brain learns that it is possible. So here's the thing, if you feel that jealousy and you see somebody and your brain says that is completely forbidden, that's you judging her before even thinking. But like I said, the change doesn't come from understanding this dynamic. The change comes from teaching your brain new experiences. It comes from being that part of yourself that you judge, that part of your powerful self that you judge in others, being more selfish, being more sexy, being more demanding, even in the smallest ways, the smallest practice, because then you are teaching your body that this is your birthright too. If you want to explore what you are projecting in others, then join the Shadow Work Challenge. It's full of golden nuggets, and I've created a system to create lasting change. Real tools, real practice. The link is down below. And if you want to learn more about shadow work and your dark feminine energy and where you're suppressing it, then stay tuned to this channel. I am gradually releasing a series about this. Money mindset, boundaries, you name it. So enjoy the rest of your day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.